Those days are gone when the only stable professions and highest-paying jobs were considered to be those of a doctor, engineer, or government official. There are many million-dollar jobs other than these professions that could make you a millionaire in the future. When setting out to choose a career, everyone most likely considers the following 3 factors that are: is it personally and professionally rewarding to me? Is it exciting enough? And can I grow in this field? And lastly, does it pay well? While all 3 factors hold different significance to different people, the pay parameter holds the highest importance to many people. And why shouldn't it? Who doesn't want to work in an established organization, earn a 6-figure salary, and live a life of luxury and security? That's the reason for most of us to search for the highest paying jobs in the world. So if you're looking to change your career or chose one after your school, here are 10 jobs that will make you a millionaire. But before that, subscribe to Luxus to never miss on your opportunity to grow. 1. Blockchain engineer. A new job that is taking lead in the market is blockchain engineer. With the rising cryptocurrency trend and a huge cash flow with millions of people investing here, blockchains are needed to be managed at a grand scale, and a blockchain engineer is a professional who specializes in developing and implementing this architecture and solutions using blockchain technology. They basically like to implement and create a digital blockchain for technology consulting firms or data service firms. They are responsible for application and coins release dates or monitoring the whole project to make sure it is finished on deadline. They need to understand concepts like consensus and hash functions. Number 2. Product manager. A product manager is a professional who recognizes the customer's needs. They own the business strategy behind both physical and digital products and also specify their functional requirements and manage the launch of features. They'd also coordinate the work of software engineers, data scientists, and product scientists, and are ultimately responsible for the business success of the product. Number 3. Full stack developer. A full stack developer is a professional who can make both client and server software. They do work in both front-end and back-end development of a particular software and also decide the stage of development from concept to end product. They should know how to program a browser, server, and database, like using JavaScript, etc. Full-stack development is an excellent career choice because professionals in this field can supervise and handle any given situation during product development. Number 4. Data scientist. Data science is definitely intellectually rigorous and can have a steep learning curve. There is a lot of time spent cleaning the data, importing large data sets, building databases, and maintaining dashboards. To thrive as a data scientist, you should enjoy quantitative fields and be passionate about helping companies make more data-driven decisions. Most full-time jobs require 40 hours or more of work, but many freelance positions allow you to set your own hours and schedule while enjoying hefty paychecks. Number 5. Anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologists are trained physicians who have special training in preoperative care. They play a very important role within a surgical procedure, as they must ensure that the patient receives the correct type and correct dosage of anesthesia while under the scalpel. Not just this, they have to monitor the patient's vitals during the procedure and ensure that they are unconscious while in surgery. Number 6. Investment banker. Investment bankers are financial advisors to corporations or even governments, and they have the responsibility of helping companies and other such entities to raise money for expansion and improvement. They are also needed to manage a company's initial public offering for a company preparing to go public. To become an investment banker, one must earn a bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or marketing. It requires negotiation skills, networking and communication skills, time management with sometimes working more than 12 hours a day, but these efforts are very well paid. Number 7. Real estate agent. Real estate agents help people and companies buy, sell, or rent homes and properties. They guide their clients through every step of the process, from finding properties to negotiations to filling out contracts. They also understand local real estate laws and documents required to complete a sale, because these agents understand the real estate market and have access to properties as soon as they become available. They might make their millions investing in real estate themselves. They might do so by buying a house and selling it for a profit, or by owning rental properties. Number 8. Actuary. Actuaries use math, statistics, and analytics to assess a company's financial risk. They work for insurance companies, banks or investors, government agencies, hospitals, and other businesses that need to avoid losing money. They use equations to calculate probability and the financial consequences of taking certain risks. Actuaries have strong math skills and typically have a master's degree in a numbers field. Number 9. Entrepreneurs think of business or product ideas, then develop and manage them with the goal of selling the company for a profit. They might start anything from small retail shops to major technology companies. Successful businesses that sell for a lot of money can make entrepreneurs millions. They can then reinvest their money into new ideas or startups to continue the cycle. These professionals may not be required to have formal education, but a degree in business, entrepreneurship, or finance can provide them a strong foundation in business strategy, principles, and development. Number 10. Orthodontist. The toughest profession in the dental field and the highest paid of them all. Orthodontists are responsible for examining, diagnosing, and fixing any dental abnormalities relating to the position of the jaw and teeth. They straighten the structure of the teeth, fix crooked, smiles, and adjust bite positions using braces and retainers. To achieve orthodontist status, you'll need to first complete a dental degree and then enroll and complete a postgraduate orthodontist program. Do let us know in the comments if you think we are missing any profession. Hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to LUXAS to never miss an update, and we'll see you in the next one.